Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to GitHub for mobile app releases, complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the GitHub website at github.com. Sign into your GitHub account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top to find the repository of the mobile app you're interested in. Click on the repository name to access its main page. Locate the watch button at the upper right corner of the repository page. Click on the watch button to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the option that says Releases Only from the drop-down menu. This will ensure that you only receive notifications for new releases of the app. Next, scroll down to the Releases section on the repository's main page. Here, you can check previous releases and their details. If you're interested, take note of how often new releases are made. Now, to receive notifications via email, navigate to your GitHub account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, locate the Notifications tab on the left side. Check the options for email notifications to ensure you're alerted whenever there's a new release. If you want real-time updates, consider adding the repository to your favorites. This can be done by clicking the star icon near the repository name. Keep an eye on your email and GitHub notifications for the latest information. That's it. You're now set to receive updates about new mobile app releases from your chosen repository. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.